Good morning, children. 9th standard. Today we are going to see the answers for the civics lesson. Second, unit 2, second lesson, civics. We'll see the exercises, the answers for the book back exercises. Okay. You just take page number 251. You all take second lesson, civics second lesson, page number 251. I'll give you the answers now. Choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1. First, India has adopted the electoral system followed in the answer is United Kingdom. B. B answer. And second one, the Election Commission of India is an independent body. A. Third one, which article of the Constitution provides for an election commission? Answer is D, Article 325. Then fourth answer, which part of the Constitution of India says about the Election Commission? That is, answer is B, part 15. Fifth one, who accords recognition to various political parties as national or regional parties? The answer is B, the Election Commission. Election Commission. And the sixth one, accession for that. The answer is A. Sixth one is A. For seventh one, Nota was introduced in the year. Answer is C, 2014. Then eighth one, the term pressure groups originated in USA. Answer is A, that is USA, America. And ninth answer, accession and reason. For that the answer is B. And now Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the Election Commission of India is a body of 3 members. Dash members, there you have to write 3. Second one, National Voters' Day has been celebrated on 25th January. 25th January. Third one, in India, dash party system is followed. Multi. M-U-L-T-I. Multi. Fourth, 2017, there were 7. And the fifth one, pressure group. Pressure group. Okay? And now, match the following. Roman letter 3. national party, single party system, two party system, pressure group. And in the right hand side, trade unions, USA, China, and 7. For that, the answers you have to write 4, 3, 2, 1. That is national party, single party system, two party system, and the fourth one, pressure groups. So the direct answers you have to write 7, China, 7. Next one, China. Third one, USA. Fourth one, trade union. So this is match the following. Understand? And now give short answers. Roman letter 4. First one. Explain the electoral system in India. For that, page number 247 and 248. 247 and 248. Okay. In 247, at the top, this is the page 247. Here, the top, you have the election system of India. Irka, the election system. The 2 lines you have to mark. Elections are classified into 2 types, direct elections and indirect elections. And the 2 lines you have to mark. Okay. Then next, what is direct election? And I explain question. So you have to explain. First of all, election system there are 2 types of election system. They are direct election and indirect election. What is meant by direct election? The direct elections. From that, you have to write, people directly vote for the candidates. From there, till their votes, those 6 lines, other 5 lines you have to write. Direct elections. Page number 247. Have you understand? What is indirect election? Page number 248. Page number 248 indirect elections. You can see. Adla 4 lines. Voters elect their representatives. And the 4 lines you have to write. Can you able to follow? First short answer. That's miss potirken. Page number 247 and 248. Can you able to follow? Okay. Then second short answer. Give the meaning of political party. For that, page number is 248. Give the meaning of political party. 248. Here, last, you are having the meaning of political parties. Irka. Page number 248. Meaning of political parties. Irka. This para you have to write. Short answer, second one. Understand? A political party is an organization formed by a group of people with a certain ideology and agenda to contest elections and hold power in the government. A political party has three components. They are a leader, active members, and the followers. Till that you have to write the second short answer. Okay. Now the third one. Distinguish between two-party system and multi-party system. For that also the same page. Page number 248. Page number 248. Adala types of party system. Here the paragraph. Single party, two party, multi party. You have. Single party, no need to write. They asked only distinguish between two party system and multi party system. Okay. So for that you have to write two party system. The tabular column you have to write, children. For two party. ஒரு கோடு போட்டு மல்டி பார்ட்டி அந்த மாதிரி you have to write. Two party system க்கு the two lines. Two party system in which only two major parties exist. For example, USA and UK. Multi party system in which there are more than two political parties. For example, India, Sri Lanka, France and Italy. That's all. That is third short answer. Then fourth one. What is a pressure group? For that page number 249. Page number 249. Here come pressure group, the paragraph. Can you see this? The pressure group paragraph. Okay. From the second line, a pressure group is a group of people who organize actively for promoting and defending their common interest. That's all. Can you able to follow? A pressure group is a group of people who are organized actively and promoting and defending their common interest. So till that only, interest only. So 4 short answer. Have you understand, children? So short answers are over. Now next one. Answer in detail. 3 detailed answers are there. That is Roman letter 5. Roman letter 5. First one. Discuss merits and demerits of direct elections. For that, page number 247 and 248. Page number 247 and 248. You can see. I'll show it now. They are asking about the merits and demerits of direct elections. So, in 247, direct elections, அப்படின் heading போட்டுட்டு merits. அதிலிருந்து எழுதுனா போதும். No need to write this. இந்த இதெல்லாம் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுத வேண்டாம். No need to write that. Only the merits and demerits they are asking. So, merits போட்டு these 3 points you have to write. Merits heading போட்டு underline பண்ணி 3 points. And demerits போட்டு underline பண்ணி there are how many points are there? 5 points are there. So, you have to write. 248 la till this. Okay, demerits. So, page number 247 and 248. Can you able to follow? And second detailed answer. What are the functions of political parties? That is in page number 249. Page number 249. You just take page number 249. Functions of political parties. Paragraph inga kuduthirukanga. You can see. Here. You can see this. Functions of political parties. Understand? How many paragraph? Points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points are there. So till this, the point 7 points you have to write. That is second detail answer. Page number 249. And now, third detail answer. What are the functions of pressure groups in India? For that, page number 50 and 51. 250, 251. From this, the functions of pressure group in India. From this you have to write. Understand? Pressure groups are the interest groups that work to secure certain interests. From there, political participation, education and policy formulation. So next page la page 51 top varaikum till this 3 lines. So in the top varaikum you have to mark. From this political party functions, from this you have to write till this. Okay? Political participation, education and policy formulation till that. So they are asking the functions of political parties. This pressure group, functions of pressure group. So this is fully I mark and gave you. Idu varaikum neenga padicha podum. Can you see, children? So choose the correct answer. First, Roman letter 1. This is civics second lesson. Choose the correct answer. There are 9 are there. Choose. Can you see? 9 choose the correct answer. And fill in the blanks. 5. 5 are there. And then match the following 4. Understand? And short answers. Give short answers. 4 are there. Okay. I gave you the page numbers. And the detailed answer. 3 detailed answers are there. I gave you the page numbers. You just take a notebook. Unga book la mark pandrathu mattum it's not enough. You have to write in a notebook. The class work எழுதுறீங்கல்ல ஸ்கூல்ல கிளாஸ்ல மிஸ் போர்ட்ல எழுதி போடுவேன்ல you will copy இல்ல and mark பண்ணி கொடுக்கறதும் you can write in a class work. Those who got the class work notebook, adnalda for that only every time I am telling you to pay the fees. At least ஒரு 40% ஆவது நீங்கள் ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணிங்கன்னா மேடம் will give you the books and the notebooks. So it will be easy for you to write down the answers and you can learn. We don't know when the government will reopen the schools. So next year you are going to face the public exam. இப்போ அப்படியே பிள்ளைங்க அப்படியே படிக்காமே இருந்துட்டாங்க. எவ்வளோ கஷ்டம் தெரியுமா? 10th பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு நியர்லி 6 months ஓடிடுச்சு. இன்னும் 3 more months ஆகுது. டிசம்பர் we don't know. half-yearly எக்ஸாமில் ஃபுல் போர்ஷன் நாங்கள் முடிச்சிருக்கணும் 10th. Then January, February, Marchல எக்ஸாம் and also we have the election during April and May. அதனால் பிள்ளைங்க படிக்கவே முடியாது. we don't know what they are going to do 10th standard. உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் அது மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. நீங்கள் இப்போயே ப்ரிப்பேர் ஆயிடணும். கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் எழுதி ரெடி பண்ணிக்கணும். சும்மா அப்படியே லேசியாக இருக்காதீங்க. இவ்வளோ நாள் லீவில் ஜூன், ஜூலை, ஆகஸ்ட் ஆல் போயிடுச்சு. அட்லீஸ்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு லேர்ன் வெல் and write all the answers. In the next class, I will give you the answers for geography lesson. இல்லை அது நம்ம இன்னும் கொடுக்கல. எக்ஸோஜெனெட்டிக் the process அது நம்ம கொடுக்கல. I will give you the answers in the next class, geography answers.